Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. So finally, the admit cards for the upcoming Csir-Net June 2021 examination, which will be held in the mid of February, have been released. So students were, and also teachers were also concerned about the examination, whether it will get postponed or something like that, because the admit card should have been released way before today. But finally, there I durust hai. The admit cards have been released. You can see a link, download admit card for joint CSIR. Although this link was there previously, but this link was not working. But today it had started to work. And you can see the public notice here. The public notice is given regarding the different subjects. So release of admit card for the subjects physical science. So you can see the admit card have been released for physical science, mathematical science, chemical sciences, and life sciences. And this notice is the latest notice from NTA CSIR. This has been released today, 13th of February. So those who are waiting for the admit card, you can just go to the website and you can fill up your credential and you can download the admit card. And you can see the subject physical science will be taken on 15th of February, shift 2. So I saw some of the admit cards, and from there I saw that the admit card says that the exam will be starting from 3 p.m. So the exam will continue from 3 to 6 p.m. Okay, 3 to 6 p.m. So you have to report to the venue before that, because some technical things are there in an online examination. So you have to go to the exam venue maybe 2 hours before the examination schedule. Maybe by 1 or 1:30 you should reach the examination venue. And guys, this was just a quick update for the examination. I hope you got this useful. And download this admit card. Previously, initially, the crowd was heavy. That is why the system, maybe the website was crashing. But now everything is okay. So you can just go to the website. You can download the admit card after filling up your credential. So all the best from my side. And only one day are left. 13th, 14th, then 15th. You will be appearing for the examination. I wish you all the best. Hope you will do good this time. And yes, this is all for the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this update, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.
Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSIR-Net, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSIR-Net Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSIR-Net Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take an Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code Physics Hub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.